Introducing the Toyota Passo, a compact hatchback that combines smart design, excellent fuel efficiency, and the trusted quality of Japan. Compact, friendly, and easy to handle, the Toyota Passo blends everyday practicality with stylish design. Its smooth lines and bright colour make it stand out even in the city. Step inside, and you'll find simplicity and comfort. A clean dashboard, intuitive controls, and a cabin with surprising space. Rear seats fold easily, expanding your cargo area for everyday use. With only 6,233 kilometers, equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including pre-collision braking and lane departure alert, the Passo is designed to protect you. Smart entry, push start, and Bluetooth audio add everyday convenience. This vehicle has been meticulously maintained and professionally serviced. All records are documented in the maintenance log. A track record of reliability is the true value of Japanese cars.
Please, we're looking forward you to get car from Weins Toyota Export, and please, for more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching until the end. If you're interested in this vehicle, check out our other videos too.